Hi everyone, my name is piterpakulski. Today we'll be creating financial model of a subscription business idea. We'll continue to do that, and today we'll be talking about fixed costs. If you find this video valuable, you may give us a like, subscribe our channel, share this video with your friends. Also, you can order financial model from scratch for your unique business idea. We can help you with that. And today we'll be talking about the expenses that are fixed, but today we will just create some a little bit more complicated story. Our fixed expenses will have some stages. For example, the first stage, the first year of operating activity, you have one value of fixed costs. Then, for example, when business is growing, we will move to the second stage of fixed costs. And overall we will have four stages of fixed costs, and we can adjust when we move to the next stage to the fixed cost from the previous stage. So what we will do, we will just create a new block of inputs. Fixed cost item, so here we will place the names of articles of fixed costs. For example, let them be here. We will mark them with blue. Blue is the unique color of inputs through all the model. So the first stage starts at the first month, at month number 1, stage 1, stage 1, stage 1, 2, 3, and 4. So these will be the inputs. So on 15th month we're moving to the stage number 2. For example, on the stage number 3 we're moving on the third month of operating activity, and on the month number 40 of operating activity we're moving to the stage number 4. And for example, we have these values at this stage, then for example plus like this. These are the number of months of operating activity,
and here are the values of expenses during the first stage, second stage, third stage, and fourth stage. And now it's time for us to move these values inside the timeline. So how we can do that?
So we'll just copy the timeline first of all. So the first line will be the line from past, where we counting the months of operating activity. So operating activity, it is here. So we start our project from October 2024. Let's, by the way, displace it to 2022. 2022. Let it be May. Then we stages 0, 1, 1, 0. If this value equals to this, we put 1. B, then C, then D, and then E. Then 0, and we're closing brackets. Then we stages 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and so on. Then we're calculating the current number of a stage. Now it's time for us to place all these values finally inside the timeline. So we'll just copy this table. Here we place fixed costs. We'll start writing a formula. If this value, we're freezing the line, if this value equals to 1, the first stage, then we place these values. If this stage is the second. We place B, C, D, E, 3, 4, B, C, D, and E, otherwise 0. So we will mark this line with red because the values from this line will go later to the cash flow statement.
So
as we can see, on the first month we have $2,000 value. Then on next stage we have 2,500 values. Then we have 300 values. And then what is valuable? For example, we can display, for example, the first month will be 2,000, then the third month will be the third month will be 2,500, the 8th month will be $3,000, and 12, for example, we will the speed of reaching these values will be bigger. So we can see the first stage, the second stage, third stage, and the fourth stage. So and we can play with this data the way we want. We can create different scenarios, and this is very valuable when you have your financial efficiency done, when you see net present values, when you see simple discounted payback period values, and you can easily create new scenarios. So this you don't have to retype the values of fixed costs according to each stage of the business. So you just create the blocks of input once and forever, automate this story, and you can easily play with all this data without manual retyping of information. So I hope you like this video. You may subscribe our channel, write some comment, or you can order a financial model from scratch for your unique business idea. We can help you with that. So see you next videos. Thank you and bye.